Hi, class. We are going to continue along here with the background of this. So what we want to do now is crop and edit these things to make a more pleasant rendering. So now our image size, if you remember, okay, this is very small. This is 8, and we would like to print this out at 20. So even at the same dots per inch, which is pretty low, you're going to have 200 at least. 300 is better. 300. And Photoshop will scale it up for you and make a good picture. Scaling the whole thing up. Once again, I zoom out, Command minus, and everything is there. We have resized everything in our page. Now, this might be just a little bit better of a picture if we have some cropping to it. So maybe we crop it right about at this point. And then on the other side, stop right about that point. So we put our fence here, and then we go image, crop, and it crops it to that specific size. All right, we save that image. This is saving it as a Photoshop file, a PSD, and we'll save that. Say OK. And then we can save that file as save as, once it's done saving. You do file, save as, and then change it to a JPEG, a bitmap, a GIF, all kinds of file types. So let's replace it. Replace this, maximum quality, and we now have a combined picture, which is usable. If we have to go into the future and we don't need these layers, we can hold down our Shift key, click both layers, right click on that, and then we can flatten the image. So we flatten that image. It goes down to one layer. It's all put together. No chance of accidentally moving it. And if you need to edit that again, there's another cool feature that you want to know about, and that is the patch tool. So let's look at this area here. So white car here is pretty distracting. So if we make our selection, of this area, we can do a edit and edit fill, and we can use content aware fill to try to do this. So we'll see if content aware fill will make that go away. So it very much disappears, and you've got a nice questionable presentation there. But if you look back at it, it kind of goes with it. It blends into the background pretty well, and you just do a little touch up, and you can have that cleaned up nicely. But you don't have that distracting white vehicle there, and you've got your nice sky. You've got your car jumping down the street, and then you get your other cars which are on the street, which provides some sense of scale. All right, just a few things in Photoshop. So this is the end of number 3 here.